Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a full-fledged WordPress website using free domain and free hosting. And the best part of it is that we are also going to be generating the content of this website using AI. And another thing that I'm going to be teaching you or showing you today is that you will be able to generate all of these content using autopilot. This is the best video you've ever watched on WordPress that you are going to be watching on WordPress today. You might be wondering, how are we going to build a full WordPress website without domain, without paying for domain, without paying for hosting? That is what I'm going to be showing you exactly in this video. If you are ready, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do, the tools we are going to be using today, or what we're going to be using to be building our website, is infinityfree.com. So I'm going to search it on Google and it's already said. So this is it. And let me quickly tell you something. We are also going to be securing this website with a free XSL. And for the sake of this video, I'm registering a totally new website so that you can see how we're going to do it. So what are we going to do? We're going to just come here and click on register. So let us wait. This thing is loading up now. Then you type in your email. You type in your email. Then you sign up. So this is going to ask me to verify. Of course, I'm going to go to my email now and verify. Just hold on while I do that. Right, as you can see, I've already verified the account. So after verifying the account, this is where I am now. This is my Gmail, and I'm already inside my account now. So now the maximum account I can create for this account is just, I've already created my account and this is my account right now. So what we just need to do now is to go ahead and start creating our website. You know that before we create our website, we're going to be needing an hosting. We're also going to be needing a domain. So let's get started with that. So this is it. So what we just need to do at this particular, for this free account, we are only able to create just 3 accounts. So that means that you can have 3 websites for this account. Oh, now let's say, now what do we need to do now? We create account. We click on create account. Then when you click on create account, it's going to show you what the free account really typifies. For example, now the Infinity Free is going to give you about 5 GB disk space, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited hosting domains, and then email. You are not going to have email accounts. You are not going to have cpanel, control panel, unlimited it, and blah blah like that. But let's say we have the $2 monthly build, which is about 5 is still going to have 5 gig. I think it will have everything that Infinity Free does not have, and I think we can still make do of this. Okay, so let us click on create account now, and then we're going to, that is it, we already have a domain. So since we have domain now, we're going to be using this. So we come to this subdomain. That's where we're going to be having. So we are only liable to have subdomain. We are not going to be having custom domain because we are only using a free account. So we can have the subdomain. So for this subdomain, we're going to be having policy code. For the sake of this video, I have a policy code. As you can see, I'm generating this from the scratch, guys. So this is going to be policy code. All right. So now let us see, check availability. I think the domain is available. So the website for policy code. Now there's something I want us to go. If you look at this extension, I don't really like it. Let me come back to this one. Let me come back to this place. I don't really like the extension. I will look for a better one that is a little bit, at least, that you can call. Okay, I think I like .rf.gd. Okay, let's do that. Okay, I think this is better. So this is all we are going to do. I think we are done. But since we are done now, let us open our control panel. We're going to open our control panel, and then let me click on finish here. So I think we're done. So you can come here and open your control panel here, and it's going to look at it. It said to notify you of change of service, clean up status, blah 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 blah. Just I don't really need. Just click on I approve. Okay, so the panel will now load. Now let us wait while this is loading. As you can see, we are already being given a very great panel site. So let us wait. Honestly, I'm really excited, guys. So let us see. Now we don't really have much to do here. We just need to go to website builder. So when you come to this place, all you just have to do is this. Come down and go to where you have application software. So now we want to install our WordPress software. So we come to what we have Software Carlos apps installer. Then we click on it. So we click on Software Carlos app. As you can see, it's already loading. Then this is what we want to actually install, WordPress. Then we click on install. So now it's going to bring all of this. As you can see, this is our website. And then I'm going to call it, okay, let's just say, what can we call it? Okay, let's say AI. What name can we give this website? What name can we give it? Okay, let us give it something. Let's just say code, okay, how can we create this? Okay, let's create this website about finance. Okay, master finance. Or let me just, okay, let's call it finance mastery. So now that is it. So since we already have finance mastery, so okay, let's learn how to multiply and reinvent money. Okay, all right. Now, so that is it. I think we have a website password. I will advise you to write this one somewhere. Okay, I will advise you to write this somewhere. All right, I've already written it somewhere. So I'm going to hide it so that I'm going to, in fact, let me put, I'm going to use another website. Okay. All right, let me quickly redo this. Make sure you put your website, your admin account and everything, because this is what they're going to be using to log in. Please put your admin username, because this is what you are going to be using to log in. So don't forget to put it, all right? And then your password, use a password that you can easily remember. Don't forget, guys. So now I think that's all. Then what do we need to do? We just need to install. Forget about everything. We are going to be doing that in our next step. Then we click on install. Then it's going to take a few while. We're going to take a while, but don't worry, we're going to be fine. So this is being installed now, and let's wait while this is installing. All right, so let me end this. So this is it. Our website is already loaded. So, and this is our administrative URL, and this is our real website. Now let us go to the website and see how it looks like. All right, let's see. Finance mastery. Can you see, guy? We already have a website. Guy. All right. Okay. So let us continue. So as we have seen, this is going to be our administrative website, and as in our backend. So what we need to do now is to go to our backend site, and we continue to create something. So do you know what? I'm going to show you also how to get a free SSL for this website that you would not need anything to pay, that you won't need to pay any dime. And this is going to be secure, that if everybody comes to this website, they are going to see that this website is a secured website. Yes, that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So now let's continue. We are all right. This is our dashboard and all. So the next thing we need to do now is to really set up our backend and start designing our website. And what are the things that we're going to be needing? So for the sake of this website, if you see update here, don't click any update. Okay, WordPress is don't click any update yet. All right, because it might, due to the fact that we are using non-paid, it might break your website. Okay, just calm down, don't do that. All right, so now we go to what we have plugins, okay, you go to where you have appearance, all right, and you go to where you have plugins. So as you can see, what I did here is to open 2 tabs, okay. So this is my plugin, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add new. I'm going to be adding new. So, and this is going to be my website. This is going to be the website that we have already. So now I'm going to be using a theme, and the theme I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using Ocean WP. That is the theme I'm going to be using for the sake of this video. So it's been installed. Ocean WP is being installed now. Let us wait while it loads. So I think it's installed. So what we don't need to do now is to click on what? Activate. So we're going to be waiting, let it be activated, and I think it's already activated. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to what? Is to install and activate active. Like we should install some certain extension because of the nature of this theme. It comes with some certain extension. All right, it comes with something that makes it work. So I think those plugins are ready. So just skip. I thank you for listening to this. Just skip. Okay. So now we already have our website is on the way. Now let me come to this place and reload and see where we are. Can you see it has changed? All right. So this is just the tip of the iceberg. Everything is really going to come together soon. Okay. Just hold on. All right. So and then what do we need to do? Okay. After this, I have okay, we need to go to add new plugin. Okay, we are going to be needing some plugin. You click on add new plugin, then you click on Elementor. Okay, Elementor. All right. Let's wait. Okay, now just click on Elementor page video. I think that's all what we need for now. Yeah, then not only Elementor, then I'm going to click on Envanto, because I just want to quickly be able to build this in a very because of this video. I just want to quickly finish every of this thing, then we'll come back to where we're going. So now we have access thousands of quality templates plus royalty free photos from Envanto, blah blah blah. Okay, I think this is what we are looking for. So Envanto template kits, and I think that's what we're looking for. So what we do need to do, so since I think, okay, everything that is needed is going to be activated as we are installing our plugin. So what we need to do now is to go back to, we are going to go back to installed plugins, then we're going to click on the one we want to activate. I'll just click on this, Envanto, push, then I'll come to bulk action, then I'll click on activate, then I'll apply. So let us wait while this is loading. Yes, I think it's done. Everything is there now. So now our website is underway. So the first thing is we need to create some certain pages. We need to create the pages. So we are going to come to this place, create pages, and then we are going to add new page. Okay, so the new page is going to be probably that's going to be the home of the website. Okay, and then we're going to create, let me just create home. Okay, so in my next video I'm going to be showing you how to create a full, like how to design a full website from scratch, from beginning to the end. Now let me quickly tell you something. This is a disclaimer. You can use this only for what? Because you know this is not really your website. This is a third-party website. Okay, the reason why I call it a third-party website is because you did not pay for it. The person that the company that is going to be helping you to manage this website is going to be the infinityfree, and time might come maybe they decide to actually shut down all the services, okay, that they are not offering, or what they are offering for free is not free anymore. But as it is now, it's still free. Your website is still okay. You can still have access to your website, but they might demand that you should pay for some certain services. Okay, so because of that, I'm going to be showing you how to build your own website from scratch to finish using WordPress. Okay, you don't even need to actually say you want to go into things that are different, but you're going to sit down with WordPress, and I'm going to show you how to do this using WordPress. Okay, so and then another thing I'm also going to be showing you is that I'm going to show you how to also make money with this and how to really automate all of the process. I'm going to do a video, and I'm going to do a recorded video on how to do all of these things. Okay, so if you can learn one of these skills, it is going to be one of the things that might actually save you many times. As a business owner, if you have a website, come on now, what are you saying? Everybody wants a website. Don't forget, you really need a website in this digital age. Okay, so now enough of talk, let us continue. But for the sake of this video, I'm only going to be loading a demo content, then we are going to be designing, or we are going to be editing and all. So I will just click on publish. So and then our page is published now. So if I click on home and go to this place, I want to show you something. So as you can see, all of these are there: finance mastery, this. I'm not really comfortable with all of this. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back to this place. Please pay attention here, because I'm going to be showing you some certain things that are very intricate. So I'll come to this particular place. I'll come to page attributes. Now, okay, I'll come to block. Oh, sorry. Now I'll come to this place. So when I get to this place, I will click on home. All right. So I would do as if I want to edit again. Right. So I want to quickly show you something very intricate. So pay attention here. So what I'm going to do is I'll come to page settings and styling. Then when I click here, I will go down. Then from here, click on the O icon. That is where I'm going to click. And where is the O icon? This is the place I'm on the page. Then I'll click on it, and I will have all of this. Now you see the content layout. We are going to put it on full width. Okay. Then sidebar. And since we are already putting of it, there's no need for sidebar. So we are going to put in enable padding, whatever. Okay, let us just leave it. So short code header. Now header, I think we are going to be needing header. So what we don't need is title. Since we already have an header, we don't really need that. So we are going to disable the title. Then breadcrumbs, we're also going to disable it. Then the filter and everything. So let us just leave it. Then we'll update. So all right. So as you can see, okay. Now what we want to do now is to actually get our content. And to get our content, I've already said it earlier that we might need to really, just to fast track everything, I'm going to be importing some certain demo content here. So what I will do is this: I will come to element, then I'll go to template kits. Okay. So and then this is how it's going to come, and we are going to get started. So now what we're going to be doing is we are not going to be using premium kits. Okay, we are going to be using the free kit. So because of course we are not paying. Then from the free kit, we are going to look at the one that really, let's see if we can see the one that really, okay, I don't think we have that. So but let's see if we can see trade and services. Let's see if we can see. Oh, all right, it is not here, but yet we can still work around it. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Professional studio and minimalist coach and all. So let us look for the one that we can use. Okay, so we have sushi restaurant, big bro burger, motivational speaking, and affordable reliable services, blah. Let's see if we can really see the one we can use for clean energy for wherever. I don't know if we can see something like magazine, or because we're going to be, it's a blog we're building, so ebook, author, wildlife conservation. I'm not sure, but let's still look at it. Let's look. We might see something that really speak to what we're saying. Okay. Anyway, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to pick anyone. Okay. For the sake, I'm just going to pick anyone. Guys. So I will just pick sport vlog. Okay, I'll pick this. So I'm just going to click on view kit. So when I've viewed on this, it's going to tell you, when I click on view kit, it's going to tell you there are 3 requirements that needs for this template kit to work correctly. And what are they? The only thing you just need to do is to do what? Is to look at the requirement and install them. You can say install requirement. Wow, it required Elementor Pro. So what we're going to do is we are going to restore regardless. Okay, since we are, how can we bypass this? Okay, so what we're going to do is this: we're going to look at the one that does not require what we're looking for. All right, so and for example, and the one that has what we're looking for, we're just going to do what? We're just going to ignore. Do you understand? For example, here now we can say we ignore requirements. Is that okay? So we click on ignore requirement. They're not concern us. Okay, so all this one, so you click on ignore requirement, and that's it. Ignore requirement. So let us just there. So what we just need to do now is to click out, is to create our blog page. So come to this place. Now don't forget that we already have home created already. So we click on this place, click on edit. Then when we click on edit, let us see, it's going to bring us to this thread, and then click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so now it's going to load up Elementor for us, and we're going to be having something to load up to this place. So since we have already this place, since we have here, we are going to do this. So now the next thing we need to do is to import the template. Okay, we're going to import the template. As you can see here, we are not doing anything hard, guys. We are not doing anything hard at all. So I'm just going to view installed kit, okay, and click on anyone we want to do. All right, so sorry, let me do that again. Click on this, and then I'm going to have this. All right, so I want to install this, so I will just click on ignore requirement. All right, let us see how this is going to turn out. All right, it's already brooding. Let's hold on while it imports. All right, so as you can see, all right, I think this is better. Now I think this is really better. The one we really uploaded the other time, I had to cut it. It was not really looking good. So, and this is it. They are requesting that we really get a Pro before we go, and of course we did not have that kind of luxury for Pro. So what we're going to do is this: we're just going to remove some that are not, probably okay. This feature, let's just remove this. Let's remove this. Okay. All right. So yeah, I think this is good. Or still, I think, yeah, this is good. So yeah, okay, let's stop here. Now this is what we're going to do now. Now let us quickly make this a little bit fine, and let's have everything. Okay, so I'll come to this place, make a stretch session. Then there's too much of space here, so what I'm going to do is this: I'll click on okay, advanced, then margin, I'll put the margin to probably -50. Okay, as you can see, the gap is closed. So let me have it like this so that everybody can see. So what we're going to do, as you can see, this is the block is building up. So here you can decide to change this image. Okay, so you want to change this image, you just click on this, and then you choose the image you want to use. Okay, do you understand? You can choose the image, then that, but let us just leave it like this because this is just a big play button. And then you can do something, you can make this a custom URL that is going to lead to whatever it is that you're having here. So you can decide to remove this or put something that is better there. Everything is actually solely based on your discretion, guys. So now this is it. Now I have, okay, let's make this a stretch session also. We have that. Then I think this also is going to need to be stretched. Okay, I don't think so. So yeah, this place will be stretched also. This will be stretching. Okay, let's see. All right, it's going to be stretched also, and then I think that's all. So what we need to do now is actually to publish. Now we just need to publish, and then we're fine. So yeah, So that's it. Now let us see how the website is going to look like now. Let's preview it. Okay, so I'm going to do something now. All right, yes, take this down. Okay, hold on. So preview. So let's preview it and see. Okay, now this is it. As you can see, this is coming together, and all of this is done using free resources, guys. So now, since we're talking about finance, generally we need to actually go to AI, and then we'll tell AI to help us to remove all of this. Okay, so don't forget, all of these buttons here will be taken to it's going to be taken to another place. Okay, so now what do I need to do? What do I mean? What we need to do now is to go to all right, let's come to one of our places here. This video is getting too long. I think we might need to extend this video. Probably I'm going to do a part 2 of it later. So what we're going to do is this. All right, so I'll come here, I'll click on all posts. All right, then this is the first post. Let us see how this post looks like first. All right, this is the first post. So obviously we are going to have this place designed and all. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to click create our first post, and then would this. Okay, all right, so this is our first post, and then we'll go to okay, all right, so this is our first post, and then we'll come to ChatGPT. I think I have a tab open for ChatGPT. Let me just use this. Okay, no, let me use this. ChatGPT. My God. Okay, so it's being written now. Let us see. So this is how you're going to create the auto blog. Okay, anytime you have a topic that you've researched, you can just come to ChatGPT. Maybe in our next video, I'm going to show you how to really streamline all of this. Okay, so this is not you. While that is loading, I want to quickly show you some. Let's come to our website that we are designing. So now all of these places are going to be your blog cards. Okay, for example, if you have a picture. Okay, I'm going to actually do something now. I'm going to, okay, let me come to ChatGPT. I'll come to ChatGPT, pick the topic. Okay, I'll pick the topic. That's how you're going to do it too. I'll pick the topic, come to this place, and then change the topic to what ChatGPT says, mastering the art of freedom. All right, so I'll pick some words there. I'll just pick something that is really okay that I can choose. Then I will use that to really change every of these dummy tests. Okay, now that is done. So I can decide now, this is looking so small, right? I will come to this place and then click on style. Now this is not a website design because I'm already tilting towards website design. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to design a full website, but this is just for tutorial purpose on how to get this for free, how to get things, at least get started. All right, so it is this in our next video I'm going to also show you how to do this, how to optimize the website, because I cannot do everything in this video. It's going to become too long and I don't want it to become too boring. So I'm going to show you everything in our next video. It's still the same website we're still going to be working on, and I'm going to show you how to edit, how to make it a very better video. Okay, I mean a very better website. So now what I'm going to show is this. I'm going to be telling you, okay, this is the typography, and then in typography, right, so I'm going to come to now. The typography here is Lato, so I would advise you just use, okay, all of this is going to be done in our next video. All right, I just want you to set something so that you can see what I'm saying. So and now I would just click this, then I would increase the size a bit, okay, so that people is going to be visible on all. So I don't really like the fonts. Let me change the font. I'll just change it to so that would be Montserrat. I'm just going to choose this font. So I'll just choose this font. I think is better this way. Then I'll reduce this one to about maybe 0.9. Okay, no, let me put it at 1.3. all right, so I think this is better. Then I think the weight, I'll just put it at normal. All right, so I think this is okay. So this is how you're going to do. So if I want to change this, yeah, I want to change this. So since we are talking about budgeting, I'll click on this place. I would no. Now if you look at it, this is where the image is. Now I mean, this image is only on the one here. So if you don't like it, you can decide to just delete it. Okay, so best thing, and then you can decide to just come to this place. Then here you are going to see the image that was used. Okay, this is what the image that was used. Then you click on choose image. Now there's nothing on this image yet, so we can come to one of the free websites whereby we get image, either on Splash or wherever. So either on Splash, Pixabay or Pexels. So for this video I'm just going to be using Pexels. All right, I'm just going to be using pexels.com, and then I'll look for the terms of the picture that I want to really put in that article. So the term of the picture, the kind of picture I want to put is going to be a finance picture. So I'll just click on finance. I'll click on finance, and then as you can see, it is really going, and then probably something that has to do with budgeting. So I'll just use this. I'll click on download. Okay, so it's getting downloaded already, and I think it's done. So the next thing I'll do is I'll come back to my my this. Then I'll choose, I'll select files because there's nothing on the files already. So I'll just select files. Then I'll click on no, that's not what I'm looking for. So this is what I'm looking for. Then I'll click on what, open, and then it's loaded. So what we're going to be doing is this. Okay, so let's wait. I don't know why it's taking so much time, but because this is already loaded already. So when it comes on, okay, it's on now. So you click on select, and automatically it's going to populate there. So you can do that for each of the pictures here. You can do that for each of the pictures, the same thing for everything, depending on the kind of topics you are writing on. It's getting too long, and I don't really want it to get this long. All right, so if you know I've given you value, if you know that I've actually exposed something that you did not know before to you, come on, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel. This is just the tips of the iceberg, for I'm going to be exposing you to some things you are going to be using to better your life, guys. Thank you. This is just the tip of what I said. Watch out for the second part of this video, whereby we complete this website and we rank it on Google. All right, now let's get started, and see you in the next video.